Jim Shornagle, and I'm the general manager here at Leicatex, and I've been with the company for over 17 years. If you're looking for a product which is made of steel, which can fit in your hand, and you're looking for high tolerance, great quality, and you need a couple million of those, Leicatex can make that for you. We're a precision manufacturer with high speed that can meet your needs.
We're based in London, Ontario, Canada, and we ship to 25 countries at least around the world. The company's grown in leaps and bounds over the time that I've been here. I think we have a reputation for quality and we maintain that.
All of our seals and buckles meet ASTM requirements for joint efficiency.
We wouldn't be where we are today if it wasn't for people going, yeah, we need to try to do this change and see where it's going to go and make us better. We are ISO certified, which is great. Means that we have processes that we have to follow to make sure that our quality is top notch. Hundreds of millions of seals go out a year. I think last year was 342 million.
We are sitting at 100% on-time shipping, so our customers can rely on our ship dates when we confirm an order to them. Samuel is a very strong player in the steel market, whether it be purchasing or manufacturing, and the fact that they purchased Leicatex gives us additional strength. There's a tremendous amount of experience at Samuel that Leicatex can leverage to help us be better in the market and supply new products to new customers.
Because the automotive industry is a little bit of a different level of manufacturing, we have a good background of people that care about product that they're making, and I think that that's a foundation for moving in.
I hope we can expand to produce all kinds of small brackets and things that can help other industries.
We've taken a very good small company and made it an excellent larger company.
Our parts are number one, and it's a good feeling to know that you're number one.